Ever wondered about diving into the thrilling world of cybersecurity? With the rise of digital transformation, the demand for cybersecurity professionals has skyrocketed. Today, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of building a thriving career in this fast-growing industry, kickstarting the list with the top 5 in-demand cybersecurity jobs one should consider pursuing. First off, cybersecurity analyst roles are on the rise. They are the first line of defense, identifying and mitigating potential threats to keep systems secure. Next, consider network security jobs. Specialists in this field safeguard the company's computer networks, ensuring they run smoothly and securely. Ever thought about using hacking for good? Ethical hacking careers are in high demand. These professionals use their skills to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen security systems. Information security specialist roles are also crucial. These experts develop security strategies and enforce policies to protect sensitive information. Lastly, cybersecurity consultant positions offer a chance to guide businesses towards best practices and secure solutions. But what does it take to land these roles? Let's delve into the skills and certifications required for success in the cybersecurity field. Firstly, a strong understanding of computer systems, networks, and programming is essential. Additionally, problem-solving skills and a keen eye for detail can set you apart in this field. Now, on to certifications. They provide a competitive edge and demonstrate your expertise. Popular choices include Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, and Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, among others. Finding your dream job in cybersecurity is no different from other fields. It requires perseverance, networking, and a standout resume. Tailor your resume to each job application, highlighting relevant skills and experience. And don't forget to prepare thoroughly for interviews, showcasing your problem-solving abilities and passion for the field. So, what does the future hold for cybersecurity jobs? With the continuous advancement of technology, new roles are emerging. Opportunities in areas like artificial intelligence and remote cybersecurity are on the rise. This sector is ever evolving, offering a dynamic and exciting career path. In conclusion, don't wait another day. The cybersecurity field is ripe with opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, there's never been a better time to take the first step towards a rewarding career in cybersecurity. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So, are you ready to seize it?